Good morning, children. As we have already discussed about Daubernier triad, in which the group of three elements were there, and this was rejected. The limitation was that as per the increasing order of this defect, in this classification was that all the known elements could not be correctly arranged into this form of triads. And secondly, this triad was not able to be arranged all the known elements at Daubernier time even. Only 9 elements could be arranged, rest 3 were not arranged in this order. So this table was rejected. And the third important reason was that the atomic mass of third and first, average of first and third was roughly equal to the atomic mass of second. It was not exact mass. So this was also the major anomaly, disadvantage or limitation of this Daubernier triad. Now today we will discuss about Newland's law of octaves. Newland was the scientist who was majorly thinking of the law as per the 8 notes of music. So question arises, why he called, first question is, why his law is known as law of octaves. So the answer will be that this is known as law of octaves because he compared his law of periodic table with 8 notes of music. Newland has given the law that every first element will have the same properties as that of the 8th element. As we know, in Hindi music notes also, we have sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, and sa is the 8th note which comes back similar to as that of the first. So he was the French scientist and his music notes were also the same like da, ro, re and so on, and his 8th note was same as the first note. So Newland has classified the similar properties elements in the same group. His periodic table law was that every 8th element will have the same properties as that of the first element, and the similar properties elements will exist in the same group. As you can see here that hydrogen and fluorine, they are in the same first group, that is Sa group or Do group. Re group have the lithium, sodium and potassium. As per the knowing the valency, we can easily say that lithium, sodium, potassium, they all have the valency of 1. So thus they have same properties. Similarly, Ga group or Ga, May group may have beryllium, magnesium, calcium. They have also 2 valency. So they are similar in properties and so on. If we see that he tried to arrange initial elements as per the chemical properties. But Newland failed to arrange these 56 elements at his time in the proper order of similar properties after calcium. Up to calcium he have arranged, he kept in the mind similar properties concept, but after calcium, that is you can see here in the calcium, after calcium you can see is the zinc, and in the second group also you can see is the copper. But potassium and copper are quite different properties. Copper is least reactive and potassium is highly reactive element. Similarly, calcium is moderately reactive or high reactive element, while zinc is moderately reactive, that is not too high reactive as that of the calcium. Similarly, in the first group Sa, you can see that chlorine and fluorine, they are halogens. They have properties of non-metals. When they react with hydrogen, they form acids, while they were kept with the hydrogen which have dissimilar properties from fluorine and chlorine. But the blunder was that cobalt and nickel, which are metals, they were kept with hydrogen, fluorine and chlorine. Up to certain level, hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine have same properties. So that was correct. But cobalt and nickel, these are metallic properties. They have different physical properties, absolutely different physical properties, as well as different chemical properties from fluorine and chlorine, which are known as halogens. So this way, Newland was failed after the arranging these elements after calcium, whose atomic mass was 40. After that, his arrangement was failing. In this last group also you can see that sulfur, oxygen and iron, they are kept along with each other in the Ni group. Oxygen and sulfur have two valency, so chemical properties may be similar. But what about iron? Iron have quite different properties. It's a metal. Physical properties are also different as well as chemical properties are different. So in all the groups this was happening in his periodic table. Thus his periodic table was also rejected. Now let us discuss many more other reasons which caused the anomaly or the disadvantage or limitations or demerits of Newland's periodic table. So question may come by the four names. Write down the anomalies, limitations, disadvantages or the limitations or the demerits of the particular periodic table. Let us discuss demerits of Newland's periodic table. First of all, as we discussed just now, that his law was applicable up to the elements calcium only. Number 2, it contained only 56 elements. Further, he said this. Newland have given this statement that only 56 elements will exist in the nature. They are discovered already and no more elements would be discovered. So this was a blunder statement said by him, which was not accepted by chemists because they were working in the field of chemist and they knew it that chemistry is having vast number of elements and they will be discovered later on. There are many more elements existing in the nature and they will be discovered. So this was the second anomaly. What is the third anomaly? In order to fit the elements into the table, Newland adjusted two elements in the same slot. As we have seen, nickel and cobalt, they are having similar valency, so slightly similar chemical properties were there and he tried to adjust in the same slot. But it is not possible to keep two elements at the one place in a periodic table because there are different properties. Even same group element may have slightly different properties. They may have difference in melting point, boiling point and chemical reactivity are also different. So this was not acceptable by the scientists as Newland kept cobalt and nickel in the same slot. Similarly, he has done arrangement for some two more examples also. So this was the third biggest mistake or the demerit of the Newland's periodic table. That's why his periodic table was rejected. So these were the limitations and the Mendel's periodic table. Thank you. I hope you have understood it.